Hi, my name is Debbie and I'm the artist behind Paws and Pencils Art. I draw animals in colour pencils and I love teaching beginner and intermediate artists with their techniques for realism. So my story, art has always been a real love of mine. Really enjoyed it whilst I was at school, and unfortunately sort of life got in the way and I never really pursued it. So when it came to the first lockdown in 2020, I decided that I would, you know, embark on a new journey of art. So I started off drawing on a daily basis, and I was drawing human portraits in graphite pencil. And I think it was about 3 years ago when I just rediscovered colour pencils, and I sort of moved on to drawing animals and I've not looked back. So over time I realised that I didn't just enjoy creating art, but I also loved sharing with other people and learning with other artists. So I set up my pencil pools community because I wanted to make art accessible for all, and I realised that there's a lot of art courses out there that requires to have loads of experience. It costs a lot of money and you have to block out huge amounts of time. Now I know that life can get really busy, so this I thought was a really good opportunity with this niche to sort of make it available to anyone and create a low price membership, but offering lots of value and filming different tutorials for people. So on this channel I share tutorials and studies to help you improve your colour pencil skills. So you'll find things like animal drawing tutorials, fur and feather studies, colour pencil techniques, materials and art tips. So this is where I actually provide like demonstrations on different art tools like paper, pencils, that kind of a thing. So my goal is to make learning art feel approachable and achievable, and starting, even if you're just starting out, returning to art or after a long break. So as I mentioned, I run an online community called the Pencil Pools Community. Inside the community, members have access to a growing library of full animal tutorials, monthly workshops, focus sessions, nature tutorials. There's a growing resource library, and it's a dedicated space where people can ask whatever questions they like. They can encourage each other, share their artworks. If they want to request feedback on a piece of art, they can. There's a section for that as well. So if you're looking for more structured guidance and a friendly art community, that might be something that you'd like to enjoy. So if you enjoy learning how to draw animals with colour pencil, make sure you just subscribe to this channel, because I'll be sharing more tutorials and studies to help you develop your skills. So thank you so much for being here, and I will see you in the next video.